Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing a last video for Halloween, and I will be setting up my trick-or-treating candy station. This is where my candy is gonna be for the trick-or-treaters when they come to the door. I do hope they come. It's supposed to be not very nice weather on Thursday, but regardless, I want to set up the station just in case if they come. So I'm going to get started now. I'm going to remove the stuff that's on there and then decorate it. So here it is all finished. I think it looks super cute. There's some spiders going up, and then I got this table runner last year at Dollarama. Got my candy corn. I spray painted some twigs from the garden to make it more Halloweeny. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a great Halloween.